What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how to set up new domain controller for Windows 2022. So let's get started. Let us first turn on our virtual machine. The first step is setting up the network adapter. Now go to start menu and search for network. Now click on view network computers and devices. You will get an error. Just click on OK and next click on the notification and click yes. Now go to start menu and search for network. Now click on Ethernet settings. Now click on change adapter options. Okay, here right click on Ethernet and click on properties. Click on TCP IP and go to properties. Here you will need to enter the IP address of your machine. So just go to command prompt and type the command ipconfig. It will show you your IP addresses. So just take these IP addresses and enter in the IPv4 settings. After entering all the IP addresses, you need to click on OK and just close this. Now you need to set the host name of the server. So for that, go to the File Explorer, right click on this PC and click on the properties. Now here you will need to click on rename this PC. So just rename this PC as per your convenience. In this case, I'm renaming it to DC2. So it will ask for a restart. Go ahead for a restart. The next step is to install Active Directory domain services. So for that, in the server manager, click on add roles and features and click on next until you get Active Directory domain services. So select the features and install them. Now the Active Directory domain services are being installed. Now the feature is installed. Click on close. So the next step is to promote the server to a domain controller. So for this, just click on the notification and click on promote the server to domain controller. Here you need to click on add a forest and just give any domain name. Okay, just click on next. Here you'll need to specify a password and confirm password. Now click on next and install. After installing, it will restart the computer and hence it promotes the server to domain controller. So that's how we set up a domain controller on a new Windows Server 2022. Thanks for watching.